Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Monday, July 17th. Well, for the past month, it's been somewhat volatile, understandable considering it's the growing and weather time period for the grain and oilseeds. For the week last week was a defensive week, down pretty much across the board. But then on Friday, we try to rebound the marketplace and negate some of those losses that we saw for the week. Then in the overnight trade, we're kind of mixed. We see where the beans, meal, and oil are a little bit higher, wheat a little bit mixed near the unchanged level with the corn. I thought one of the biggest things that maybe came out on Friday was a commitment of traders report, which was a little bit of a surprise, which kind of added to the volatility that we've been seeing. We thought that maybe the trade was a little bit long the soft red winter wheat. They had a bigger net long position than we were estimating. Then we thought that they were short the corn and the beans, and actually they were long both the corn and the beans. So once again, a lot of movement in these positions, adding to the volatility. After the USDA report, they wound up selling the whole marketplace across the board. And as we start out here today, we still have them net long the soft red winter wheat, corn, and soybean oil, but net short the beans and the meal. So having said all that, with the volatility, obviously weather is the driving force in here. I have to say it's not a clear-cut case. I think that the bulls would really want to see ridging and hot temperatures and no rain coming on through to really be invigorated with a hot and dry, killing the crop type of scenario, but that's not really the case. But we're not getting a lot of moisture. We are getting some cool down, so I think that kind of has a little bit of a forecast in there for everybody, and that's kind of keeping us somewhat even keel here this morning. Other than that, we'll be getting our exports out here later on this morning. We'll also have a NOPA monthly crush report. Then after the close, we're going to have our weekly crop ratings. The trade is expecting the crop ratings for corn and beans to go down 1 to 2% in the good excellent category. And the spring wheat areas, which really has not seen any relief and is up around 5 cents in the overnight trade, they're expecting the ratings for them to go down too as well. So with a combination of the crop ratings going on down, and as we continue to monitor weather, we're still not out of the woods as of yet. Like I say, there's a little bit of weather for everybody. But if we, in the extended forecast, even kind of still not much rain and kind of conducive temperatures, but if it turns hot, once again, we'll take this market right back up again, and vice versa. Its crop ratings stabilize and the weather comes more conducive. So once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.